Welcome. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a contour map using technology, more specifically GeoGebra. As you can see, I have the problem directly from the guided notes template. For those of you in my course, this is printed directly within the guided notes template. And then here I've already loaded GeoGebra. And I'm going to go straight to the 3D, actually no, Classic, excuse me. And from Classic there, I'm going to select 3D Calculator, 3D Graphics. Now I'm going to rotate the axis here so it's facing in the direction we tend to see in our textbooks, which is the x-axis coming out to our left, the y-axis coming out to our right. Now, let's go ahead and graph our function h first. So type in h of x comma y is equal to 3 sine of xy minus y. And I guess I didn't need that other parenthesis. Let me just start over. 3 times sine of xy minus y minus 1. That looks a little neater. Now I'm certain no one wants to draw a contour map for this at all. Now I'm going to start with the plane z equals -3. We want all integer values between -3 and 3, so the next one is clearly going to be z equals -2, z equals -1, z equals 0, z equals 1, z equals 2, z equals 3. All right, now that we have these graphed, I'm going to quickly just look around here, and it looks like they all intercept except that last one. We're not going to get any level curves for this last one. That's really clear. Next, we're going to type in intersect path. And I'll just finish typing it in. And then first we're going to type in the plane. So I'm going to start with F and then comma H. There we are. Now let's do this again. Intersect path G comma H. And of course I'm going to skip the last one of Z equals 3 since there's no intersection. And there might just be dots for Z equals 2. We'll find out. Intersect path. Okay, so I skipped this last one, so I'm going to hide it. And I'm actually going to go ahead and hide all of the planes while I'm at it. And then we want to see the contour map. So let's go ahead and hide the curve as well. And that is way too messy to look at. So you want to go here, and you want to go view in front of, and move your arrow and click right on the z-axis. And look at that. Here's the positive x-axis, here's the positive y-axis, and there's your contour map. And to make it even easier to view, go ahead and click on this arrow here to the move tool. That's only to change these options. I'm going to hide the plane, the xy plane. There we go. Now there isn't that, that gray background to this, that gray tinge. And then to make it even easier to look at, let me select all of these, go here, and to their line, let's make them thinner. Because that at 5 is a little much. There we go, one more. Well, I guess 2, I'll stop at 2. And there is our contour map. From here, you can take a screenshot, put it in your notes. Those of you in my class, you will probably have to make a couple of these using technology, so be sure you know how to do this and take screenshots to include in your assignments. Hopefully, you found this tutorial, this video useful. Please keep calm and math on. Actually, before I go, this is just a rendering problem here. They should all look this smooth. So there's some rendering problems. That's probably to do with the age of my machine. Hopefully yours looks better. All right, I'll say it again. Please keep calm and math on.